Imagine this. You upload one image of your product, type a few words, and in just seconds, boom, you've got a professional, branded social media ad ready to post. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that. Using Soda Marketing AI, the ultimate AI design tool for e-commerce business owners. If you're running an e-commerce store, you know how time-consuming and expensive creating product ads can be. But what if AI could do it for you? Today, I'll walk you through how to create stunning, editable product ads in seconds. No design skills needed, using sodamarketing.ai. Let's dive in. First, head over to Soda Marketing AI or click the link in the description. Create your 7 days free trial. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. This is where the magic begins. The first thing you need to do is to create your brand. Just click on Brands here. Then add new brand. For the sake of this video, I will create Walmart as a brand, but you should create your own brand. I will just enter the brand details. Then upload the logo of the brand. Here are more info you can add about your brand. Once you are done with all info, just click Save. And here you can find your created brand. As you can see, Soda Marketing AI automatically detected the brand colors from the uploaded logo. Also, if we click at it, then scroll down, you can find that Soda Marketing AI also created the targeted audience based on the brand info. Now let's create the first design. From here, click Get Started on AI Single Image Social Media Posts. Then choose your design shape and size. You can create vertical portrait, which is perfect for Facebook and Instagram stories, or horizontal wide images, which is good for LinkedIn and X posts. I will pick here the square 1080 by 1080 as it's the perfect size for Instagram single image posts and ads. But you can also pick other shapes for different platforms. Now select the brand we just created. Then I will select the content tone as casual. Then the English language. Here you can type your prompt. I will just type create a social media post to promote that. I will head to Amazon here, and I will use this product as an example. Just copy the product title, then paste it here. Then I will save the product image. Then click at Add Image. Then I will upload the product image here. Then just select the image, click OK. Then click Generate. And wait for the magic. Just to give Soda Marketing AI a minute, and it will create stunning social media posts and ads designs for this product. And here we go. We just got a perfect branded social media post designs for our products. We didn't have to look for templates or make complicated edits and coloring. Everything is perfect and ready to be published. We have the logo and our product photo embedded perfectly in the designs. And also we have multiple variants and design ideas to choose from. All this in less than a minute. Another amazing feature here is that all these designs are editable. So suppose that I like this design the most, but I want to change something in it. No problem, just select the design. Then click Customize and pick the basic editor here. As an example, let's say that I want to enlarge the product photo. I can just select it and enlarge its size to whatever size I want, just like that. All the design elements are also editable. So now I will also enlarge the call to action button here. Just select the text, enlarge it like that, drag it to wherever you want, then do the same with the shape. And here we go. We have a perfect customized clean design for our product ad. Once you are happy with the result, just click Download, and we just got our design ready to be posted immediately. We can do the same to any of the variants we got and create even multiple designs for our product. We can also explore more design ideas for our post. As an example, let's say that I liked this template. We can apply it to our design in seconds. Just click on the template and give it a few seconds. And here we go. We have the new template applied to the design with our logo, brand colors, and content, and everything else already added to our design. And we can simply download it immediately. Now let's explore more features. By going back to the dashboard, you can find all your previously created designs. Let's click on the one we just created. Then click on Caption here. As you can see, we also got a caption already created for our post with emojis and hashtags. Now let's take further and add another photo to our design. I will select this design variant, then click on Customize, then Basic Editor. I will reduce the size of the product photo and its position just like that. Then click on Photos. Here we have an access to thousands of premium stock photos that we can add to any of our designs. I will search for a running man here. Let's pick this one and drag it to the design just like that. Click Remove Background. And then just adjust its position and size till you like it. And here we go, we added the photo perfectly here in the design, and we can download it right away. Now suppose that I want to create an ad for a 50% off limited time offer on that product. Let's see how we can do this. Just go back to our design prompt and add this announce our 50% off limited time offer. Then click Regenerate and let's see what we will get. Here we go. As you can see, we got a completely different designs and all are representing the 50% limited time offer. And as you know, we can edit or just download any design we want. We also got a different caption for our post, but this time the captions focuses on the 50% limited time offer. If you're tired of struggling with Canva or paying designers for every product ad, it's time to let AI do the heavy lifting. Try sodamarketing.ai today and get full access to the platform with a free 7-day trial. Create stunning, branded ads that sell in seconds. Link in the description below. See you inside.